Hello, hello. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So the other day I made a carrot and rice dish in the rice cooker, and the video was messed up, so I pulled the video. So I owe you one, okay? So I'm gonna add some other items to it this time, so that if you did see it, you don't see the same thing. You're gonna see something new, okay? All right. Thumbs up. This is the Thanksgiving series. Share, 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 share. Check out my links below and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. What are you waiting on? Okay, I got everything ready. Let's do it. Why don't I give you the word of the day before I make it? How about that? So sometimes you have a good day, and sometimes you have an okay day, and sometimes you have a bad day. Just be thankful that you did have a day. That's the word of the day. Be thankful for your day. Whether it's okay, good, bad, you're still here. And that's the most important thing. So that you can share your life with others. Alright, that's the word of the day. Okay, so I have two. Where is it? I'm looking for the rice cup that came. Here it is. That came with the rice cooker. Okay, this is actually 3/4 of a cup. So I have two of these 3/4 of a cups in the rice container already. Okay, let's pick it up from there. Okay, I have a half of a green pepper. I have one small cut up onion. I have a half of a can of kidney beans, half of a can. And this is 15.5 ounces, the whole can. So we got half of that. And I rinsed the beans off. I poured them in here and rinsed them off until the beans was clear and not starchy, okay? Okay, so now we're going to add some seasonings and of course the carrots. Okay, this is a 3/4 cup of carrots, and I think I'm good with the carrots. This is some garlic paste. I'm going to add a half of a tablespoon of heaping garlic. Half of a tablespoon. Okay, let's get some adobo in there. Adobo. I'm going to put some pepper in there. Black pepper. Okay. Now I'm going to add some, this is Mexican blend cheese. Okay, so this is 3/4 of a cup. Alright. So I'm going to call this 1/4 of a cup. of Mexican blend cheese. Now you can put any kind of cheese you like, okay? You don't have to do Mexican blend. Okay. Okay, so I should be doing 4 of this container of water. 4, but I'm not. I'm going to do 3 full, 3 of this container 3 times, right? And then the last one I'm going to cut back, and I'm only going to fill it like halfway, because I have some beans in here, onions, pepper, and those things are going to create some liquid. So I have to compensate for the liquid. So let's do the first 3/4. 1, 2. I have to get some more water. 3. Okay, now let's go down to half of this. Oh, drop more maybe. Okay, so this is a half of the 3/4 container. Okay, and I want to mix this up. Look at the beautiful colors already. You see? Pretty, huh? Imagine that on your table for Thanksgiving. Okay? Okay, now I have 1/4 of a stick of butter. I'm going to cut this up and put it in there. Okay, I think we are golden. Okay, I always add the aluminum foil on the top so that it, oh, that tore right away. Look at that. I'll have to get another piece. So it can make steam, because you want to steam rice. Okay, we're going to put it in the rice cooker here. And I believe my rice cooker cooks for 28 minutes, somewhere around there. It's automatic, so you don't have to do anything. The moment that you plug it in, you push this cook button down and it starts to cook. And when it's finished, it will go to warm and it will stay on warm. Okay? Alright, so we will be back in 28 minutes. Thank you. Okay guys, let me show you our rice with the beans and carrots and peppers and onions. Look at that. Okay. Alright, let me taste. Okay guys, let's taste. That's hot. I can't hardly taste the vegetables. I do taste the beans and the rice. And I taste the flavor of carrots. But they're not hard. The carrots are not hard now. They're soft, you know, because they steamed with the rice. But it's very, very good. Very tasty. I thought I would taste the vegetables stronger, but I don't, which is actually good. At least you know they're in there. You get your nutrients. I taste the green pepper now. Very good. I'm glad I put the butter in it. It brought a nice flavor to it. Okay. Share the video. Thanksgiving series again. Just for you. Okay. Love you. Bye.